ziva problem yandina. Abusu ziva chukera chakina chu. Chini by something in paper. Give me a paper. Give me a paper. Someone give me a paper. Give me a paper. What I told you of that. This is the invoice that you are supposed to pay. You don't have the money. You put the invoice down in your bedroom as if you have gone there. Je não pode dar a física, já não vou